guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy skincare mystery bundle to show you. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have an Ipsy mystery skincare bundle. I had no clue that they did these. Southern Mom told me about it and I had to grab one, which in doing so, I ended up finding that they had other ones other than their own bags. There was a pure, 2 different sizes. There was a Sigma one. I got the deluxe pure, which I've already loaded for you guys. I have the Sigma one to still do, and there's another one that I did receive that I still need to load for you guys. But today is all about the Ipsy skincare mystery bundle. So thank you so much, Nikki, for letting me know about it. And I can now show you guys what's in here. I did see her unbox hers yesterday, so let's see if this is the same thing or if it is different. I can't wait to see. I love me a mystery, you guys. And starting out, this has to definitely be different because she has like masks outside of the bag and I have nothing outside of my bag. All my stuff is inside my bag. So this is what the bag looks like. It is very, very cute. Nice hot pink. It says Ipsy on the little pull tab. And yeah, that is a very cute bag. It's nice and soft material. I haven't seen one like this before. And so let's go ahead and get in here, and there are the items inside. Let's dump them out so we can see. Now the inside of the bag is just all hot pink, which I think is very, very cute with the gold zipper. Right on top is my favorite item, which I just got in my Ipsy Plus, the full size. And this is the Release Watermelon Energizing 2-minute. Oh, this is a polishing peel. So this isn't the same one, but now I get to try a different product from there. So this is an Energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Huh. Benefits watermelon, energizes skin. I don't think that's what I got. Let sit for 2 minutes, rinse with warm water, pat dry. Okay, so yeah, this is not the one that I have. The one I have, you leave on your face. So that's really cool. I get to try another product, and it's watermelon from the same brand, which is awesome. So there's item number 1, you guys. Next we have is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And this is from First Aid Beauty right there. And it says safe for sensitive skin. Directions: apply evenly over clean face. So there you go. This is a product that I've got in a box before. This is Believe in True, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So I'll go ahead and put this in a future giveaway so one of you guys can try this out, because again, I already have this. I still have it. I haven't used it all yet. So I will go ahead and set this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. This says apply evenly to face and neck for external use only. Avoid contact with your eyes. Keep out of reach of children. So I put this on at night, go to bed, and wake up in the morning and my face is nice and soft. So I'd rather have one of you guys try that out as well. So the next item in here is APTO Skincare. This is a nourishing mask. And there is the product right there. And this says, cleanse and exfoliate the skin, then apply a thin layer, allowing it to sink in. Yeah, sink in. I totally went to a sink in my head and I thought I was saying things wrong again. Let it sink in for around 10 minutes without drying too much. Rinse off in the shower or with tepid water? Tepid water? What is a tepid water? T-E-P-I-D? Water in a cotton ball. Allow the skin to breathe and follow with your moisturizer. What's tepid water? Tepid water? I don't know what in the world that is, but there is that guy right there. So that is the 4th item. One more left, and this is from the brand Feel. This is Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. That sounds really cool. Deep skin treatment, gentle exfoliating, and wet skin and moist massage the facial cleanser over face in a circular motion. Massage deeply for 3 to 5 minutes or until rich lather has formed. Then wash off thoroughly dry skin. So there is that. I wonder if it smells like pumpkin. Should we see if it smells like pumpkin? Safety seal. Where's Abby? Let me see. Ooh, there is exfoliants in there. A little, I guess, maybe knowing that it's pumpkin, I can pick up a little pumpkin, but it doesn't smell like pumpkin to me. But there is the cream, and you can see the little tiny black specks. It smells really good. It smells really good. I can't wait to try that. Yeah, it does smell really good. So that is everything that came in this month's bag. And again, this is a mystery bag. It was $12 and I purchased it directly from the Ipsy store. So if you guys want to check it out and you are an Ipsy member, go to the store. If you're on the app, I think it says shopper on the bottom. I think it's like the second one in. Go there, and then at the very top on the toolbar, the search bar, type in mystery. Then you're gonna find this mystery bag. You'll find other past months that they're putting together for the same price. And then you can find the other mystery bags that they have that is not from Ipsy, like my Pure, my Sigma, and the other one, I think it was Pink Pewter, which that was not a good one. You guys will soon see when I post it. I didn't think it was a good one. I don't think that one is worth it. But those others all came directly from the manufacturer. They didn't come from Ipsy. They came from Sigma, they came from Pure, and they came from Pink Pewter, I think it was called. I'm not sure. But if you see Pink Pewter, it is a hair accessories one, and it's not worth the value. It's like, it's not worth it. So stay tuned for that video if you do want to check that out and see what that one's about. That one's not good. It's not good. Just being honest, that one's not good. So that is everything. Again, you guys, you have this really cute bag and you get to try out 5 really cool skincare products. So comment down below, you guys, let me know, do you think this was a good bag? Do you think this was worth it? Again, it's only $12. You get to try out 5 different products. This one I know for a fact is an extreme, all of these are good brand. I've never heard of this one. Never heard of this one. I know this is good. This one is an amazing brand. This is a good brand, and so is this one. So, and then you get a bag, and it was free shipping, and only $12. So just like my normal Ipsy, which is only $10, I will never complain about those because you get really, really good products in there, and it's always free shipping, and you always get a bag, and you always get 5 products to try out. So I will never knock my Ipsy. My Ipsy Plus has become my favorite because it gives you skincare and makeup, and it's a good combination for only $25. So if you're not already subscribed to Ipsy, I will have a link down below. You can subscribe to them, and then you can check out the store and get these. They also have amazing things on their store, and they do cash back points as well. So if it says cash back once you purchase everything, it'll actually send you the money back. So like I got some money back from my last purchase via my PayPal account, and I think it was only like $6, but still everything adds up, you know? So on their shopper, if it says cash back, you do get that money back. So that is awesome. So there you have it, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Have you heard of these brands? Have you tried any of this? Like I said, this is the only one that I've never heard of. If you guys have, let me know what this one is all about. I can't wait to, I'm gonna try this face cleanser when I take a shower tonight. This I will save for one of you guys, and this one I'll save for one of you guys to try out because this is a really good one. This one I'm going to try because I love this brand and I love the scent, and watermelon is my favorite. Oh my goodness, to eat, to smell, watermelon, peach is my second, but watermelon is my favorite. And I did buy, Bliss has a new watermelon line. There's 3 things in it, and it's called like What a Melon or something like that, but it's watermelon. And I did just place an order today from Ulta. I got all 3 of them because they had a 20% off if you spent so much money or whichever. So I do have that coming. So once that comes, I will do a full review. I'll try those products out, give it time to like work for a week or 2, see how they are, and I'll do a full review on those for you guys if you want to see the new Bliss products watermelon review. definitely stay tuned for that because I will do that review for you guys as well. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, you stick around and see the other videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.